Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a parameter here in Mixpanel. Okay, so first up, just go ahead and open up any board. Okay, for example, this sample board right here. Now go ahead and click on a report header. Okay, like this one. Just click on it. Now go ahead and go to the right panel and click on breakdown. Now click on create right here. Now just click on custom event property. Okay. In here, name the formula or the parameter. For example, sample parameter. Okay. Formula right here, click on the drop down, maybe a URL domain, extract regex, and email domain, and some other options. Okay. Just going to go ahead and select or try email domain, like so. As you can see here, it says you can split the string into different parts based on a user specified delimiter using the split function. Okay, split, select an event, click on it. Now, for example, you have session event count or marketing channel, session start, or just select one. Okay, once done, just hit on apply. Okay, you've just created a new property or parameter for your users. You can now use this custom property to aid you in your analysis. This feature is often used to group multiple parameters into one, such as socials. Okay, that's basically it. That's how you add parameter here in Mixpanel. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.